Storm Isha has unleashed chaos across the UK, turning serene landscapes into battlegrounds of wind and rain.
From cancelled flights to suspended train services and even reports of lives lost, this impact of the storm, it's left people grappling with the raw power of nature.
The relentless force of the storm Isha has paralyzed travel networks, with flights cancelled, trains suspended and thousands of homes plunged into darkness. Strong winds and heavy rain have battered the country, marking the 9th named storm since September. The impact has been severe, with gusts reaching a staggering 99 miles per hour in northeast England. The storm's unforgiving nature has not spared famous locations like the Northern Ireland landscapes featured in the hit fantasy TV series Game of Thrones. Moreover, in Northern Ireland alone, over 45,000 people are grappling with power outages. This as thousands of properties in northwest England and Wales are in the dark. The aftermath is visible on the roads of Scotland, where fallen trees have closed major routes. One person is reported dead, an 84-year-old man near the Scottish capital, Edinburgh. Lost his life on Sunday night when his car collided with a fallen tree in Grangemouth. Train services, including those between London and Gatwick Airport, are facing disruptions. Edinburgh Station has suspended all train services due to gusts exceeding 90 miles per hour in Scotland. The extensive impact on Scotland's train services is expected to persist. This until Scotland's rail network completes inspections for potential damages caused by the storm. And it's not just the rail networks. Flights have been grounded as well. Edinburgh and Glasgow airports have witnessed dozens of cancellations, while Dublin Airport faced a storm-related disruption on Sunday, leading to 102 flight cancellations and 2 aborted landings. In London, planes were spotted landing unsteadily at the Heathrow Airport on Sunday. Meanwhile, across the Irish Sea, Ireland's National Meteorological Service issued an orange weather warning for most of the country. This while indicating significant winds that could impact people, property and activities. Parts of the west and northwest even faced a more severe red warning. The Met Office says the impact of Storm Isha is expected to ease by Tuesday. Bureau Report, WION. This one.